This video will teach you how you can make $646,000 per year by just doing what we love to do, finding what's wrong with others. And the best part, all we have to do is to watch videos in order to make money. This is awesome, right? Let's make it even better. You can do it from anywhere in the world. You don't need any technical knowledge. You don't need any experience. All you need is free time to watch videos, find what's wrong with others, and make money. We all have time to watch videos that can make us $646,000 a year, right? Oh, also, you can withdraw money whenever and wherever you want. You can easily get paid through PayPal, Bitcoin, Stripe, direct bank transfer, or any other major payment processor, or even Bitcoin or crypto if you want. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm gonna show you a 3-step process, and if you skip any step, then you might end up not making any money using this method. A polite warning: don't confuse this video with other watch and earn type promises that a lot of YouTubers make. This system is totally unique, and in my knowledge, I haven't seen anyone else talking about this method ever before. But a lot of successful people are secretly doing this, and they are literally printing cash from the internet using this method. In this video, we will show you how simple it is and how you can do the same using my premium software, which is 100% free for all my YouTube viewers. Link in the description, and if you start today, chances are you will start getting results from today. Ready? Then let's do this. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media connections. This way, not only you will learn how to make money online, but also you will help others learn how to make money online. How cool is that? And you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Hi there, my name is Mosh Bari, and I have been online since 2010 and currently running a 7-figure per year software company. We have 100,000 plus happy clients, customers, and users worldwide. I have helped people from countries like US, Canada, UK, Australia, India, Philippines, and many more making money online. At the beginning, I was not very successful in making money online for a long time. In fact, I was complete failure for a long time. So I spent a lot of time finding faults of others who were doing well. I would watch them and analyze what they did wrong, how they could have done it better. I was convinced that if I could just figure out what made them successful, I could become successful too. But no matter how hard I tried, nothing worked. I was failing over and over again. Then one day, something changed. I realized that finding what's wrong with others' work is not a bad thing if it's done right. This way, you build an insight about what's good and what's bad. And if you can find the good parts in their work and add it to your own, then you can be successful too. And today, I will show you a YouTube channel that is making $646,000 by talking about everything wrong with others. So you go to the YouTube search bar and type everything wrong with. You will see hundreds of thousands of videos talking about everything wrong with movies, seasons, and drama stuff. There you see cinema scenes. This channel has over 9 million subscribers, and they're making a 6-figure income just by talking about everything wrong with movies. Interesting, right? And this particular key phrase, everything wrong with, has over 128,000 search volume per month, which is super awesome. A lot of people are looking for this. And if you just go below the listing on YouTube, you will see many channels creating content on the same topic, talking about mistakes in movies, seasons, documentaries, etc., and making a lot of money in the process. People love gossip. People love to hear things that are wrong with stuff they have watched or are about to watch. And amazingly, there are a lot of people who are searching for this information online, which means if you are providing this information, you can get those watchers watch your content. YouTube will run ads on your videos and you will get paid for that. Super simple and super passive. Let me show you how you can do it by doing what you love. I mean, backbite. No, not in a bad way, but in a way to entertain your audience and make money in the process. So, you simply go to Google News and see what's trending, what movie trailer has just been released, what popular show is coming back, and you can talk about what's wrong with those. It's a very simple and effective method that can make you a lot of money while doing what we all love. We watch the show or trailer, you find out the mistakes that the creators made, and you provide that information to others. Boom! This is how easy it is to make money online. Wait, don't go just yet. You might be thinking that you will have to spend hours and make videos. It's not that bad. I'm not going to ask you to go and start shooting videos. I have good news for you. We built an online application with artificial intelligence, and it's called Epic. Cool name, right? We built it to make what's wrong with videos by just copying and pasting. Yes, little to almost no manual input. And it's 100% free for my YouTube viewers. Go get it from the link in the description. Now let me show you how you can start making this kind of video using copying and pasting and make money using Epic. First, go to Netflix. See what shows are trending and do what we all love. Watch the show. We all love Netflix, so it's easy. Now find the mistakes or what's wrong with the show and take screenshots. Now there are chances that Netflix may not let you take screenshots, but you can find those screenshots anywhere on the internet. Now that you have the information, open Epic software and click Create a New Video button. Drag and drop your screenshots here and add some twists to it, like an arrow pointing to mistake, or just rotate the image, move around or play around a little bit, make it different and dramatic. Now copy some text about the movie from any website and paste it right here. You can use the AI of Epic to rewrite completely, or use the spin option to make the content rewritten without you manually writing anything. So don't worry if you are not good at writing. I'm not good at writing as well, but I'm using Epic and making money. You can also add natural voiceover by using that text to voice option of the software. Now once it's ready and click the render button, the video will be ready in the background. Once the video is ready, you will receive an email notification, download the video and upload it to YouTube. If you want Facebook Reel or Instagram Reel and everywhere else, or directly upload it to YouTube from the application. You are done. YouTube will send you viewers to your videos. They will love your videos because that's what they are looking for. What's wrong with others? They're going to share your video with other viewers, interested people, and more shares will get you more and more views. YouTube will run ads on your videos, and more people will watch your ads and videos, and you will get paid by YouTube for that. This is how to make money by just talking about what's wrong with stuff. So there you have it, an easy and the right way to make money, just by talking about what's wrong with others' work. All you need to do is to use our software Epic, watch videos, and you're good to go. Go get it from the link in the description and start making money today. So did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. Also, you're always getting our premium softwares free. Links are in the description. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media connections. Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, everywhere. And let others know how to make money online the right way and the easy way. And you will all get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.